you have to pull this?
Oh, there we go.
Oh, we got to clean that thing, don't we?
Yeah.
So it definitely gets gooked up here. That comes out too.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, should we go ahead and take that outside and squirt it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do that. So that is kind of gunky. You gotta, I guess, after a couple of runs, you gotta squirt that thing out.
I don't know.
A little bit of maintenance. So that one's looking kind of good. We might run a. Oh, she's going for the hard squirt. Oh shit!
You might want to get back.
Now we're getting it. Now you're getting it. You just look at me when you do it. Go do it again. Ah! All right,
My
cool.
watch is waterproof.
Now this is where we really got to clean her up.
This I can soak in the sink and soap.
Yeah. But that thing gets pretty dirty. So would you say you have to clean it every other wash? Or
Yeah, I usually do every other time I use it. And I have others. What's nice is this comes with a nice stand to set it on.
Uh-huh.
And it's got things for these to set on.
Oh wow, so you can pull those out and let them dry.
And I bought 4 extras.
So this one here, what
That's-
would you do? You would just squeeze it out and just let it dry off, and then
I'll go put it in the stand.
put it in the stand. You put one of the dry ones back in it.
No, I'd leave it off.
Oh, you would?
Yep.
Until you're ready
Until
to
I'm
do
ready
it.
to use it again.
Okay. So let's turn this. Okay, so here's our stand.
Now we put
So we
that
put
in
the-
there to dry.
We put the wet one in,
Then
and we
wet.
get the. All right, so let's take a look at this. So show me the end of it. So that end there. Okay, so
This is Bissell.
okay, it's Bissell. Now where's it? How's it go in?
It goes in the other thing.
Oh, okay, let's do that. So you put it in. You put it in the machine.
Then put this back
And
on.
then, okay, so now let's look at this. Oh, wait a minute. Should we do some cleanup?
Yes, I'll get a wet paper towel.
Oh, we got to do that. Oh my gosh. Should we take it outside and squirt it?
Yeah. Unplug it.
Okay.
There we go. Now lift it up so that it flows out this way.
Oh, this way? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I see what
This
you're
lift,
doing.
yes.
All right, that looks good.
I'm going to do a little jet
Okay.
in these corners.
Get her up. Hit that corner hard. What do you think?
Looks good.
All right, I think we're good.
Yep.
Ooh, there's a big chunk of something on there.
Pull it off.
All right. Okay. Now we just got to dry it off a little bit. I think we're doing a great job on this. We got it all cleaned up. We got it ready to go. Now it's going to really do some cleaning. Right now the question is, how do we put that thing back in? So let's get over here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop it this way. Can I do it like that?
Yeah.
And then that way we can get a better idea of how we're gonna do it. All right, so how does it go in?
Okay.
Oh, I see. So this top part is up and you smush it.
Oops, I got to put it in here first.
Okay, so
See?
it goes in there first. So let's take a look at that hole. So that's the hole that goes into that whole thing over there.
Yeah, and you can see it fits.
Okay. And then this, you line it up. Line it up. And just
Pop
smush
it
it
in.
in. That's it.
Yep.
And then you got to put your top on. Now, how's that work?
See? These.
Oh, okay. So let's take a look at
I've
it.
got that.
So it's this thing here and this thing here. So you got to curve them in there.
Yeah.
So we got to see the curve. Oh, yeah, there you go. Now you got it. All right, let's see that again. We pop it like this. Right down in there is the two things. It comes out, it slips in. So it slips in like that. And then you just pop it down, it's done.
Yep.
All right, let's do some more cleaning. Should we do some more cleaning of the...
The housekeeper will be here tomorrow.
Oh, the housekeeper's coming tomorrow.
Because
All right.
if it's damp or wet, it's in this rubber tray. The wheel's set in little grooves. It
Yeah.
just sits there.
And that's
This is the one we washed. It's drying. We've got a
Okay.
clean one in there for next time.
So this, when you buy it, you get all this stuff
All
included.
of it came with it, yep.
You get 2 of these rollers. You get this little thing to set it in.
And a small container of juice.
Bam.
See, that's where the wheels go.
Oh, okay. And so they just sit there, and that keeps it from rolling forward.
Yep.
Bam. Bob is your uncle. All right. Thank you very much. That was an excellent dissertation on the Bissell.